In this podcast, I shall be working out the first tutorial. This is the question. Create a class rectangle and define two attributes, length and breadth. Write the following three methods for this class. Enter details, a method to ask the user to enter the details. Get area, a method to calculate and return the area. Get perimeter, a method to calculate and return the perimeter. And display details, a method to display all the details of the rectangle. Then we should test this class and its methods from a main method. So I am going to load NetBeans and I am going to create a new class rectangle . I am going to remove the comment so as to keep our screen clean. And as it was outlined in our question, class rectangle has two attributes, length and breadth. The first method is a method to ask the user to enter the length and the breadth of this rectangle. So I am going to write the method public void enter details. I am going to define class scanner . And I am going to prompt the user to enter the length and the breadth. And the first method is ready. The second method is a method that calculates the area and it should return back the value. So I'm going to write public integer as you know, the area is calculated by multiplying the length and the breadth. So I am going to define a variable area and I'm going to assign to it the length multiplied by the breadth. And then I'm going to return back this variable. A very similar method is a method to calculate the perimeter. Get per. As you know, the perimeter of a rectangle is calculated by finding the length, by adding the length and the breadth and then multiplying everything by 2, and I'm going to return the perimeter. Our last method is a method that is used to display all the details on the screen. So public void display details, and in this display detail I am going to output the length, the breadth, the area and the perimeter of this rectangle. notice that in order to get the area, I am going to invoke the getArea method, which is this one, and the same goes for the perimeter. I am going to invoke the getPer method so as to concatenate the perimeter to this output. And basically that is our class. Now we have to create a main method I'm going to call it rectangle test. I'm going to remove the comments and obviously I will start first by creating a rectangle class. My rect equals new rectangle. I am going to invoke the enter details method, and then I am going to invoke the display details method so as to display the area and the perimeter on the screen. I am going to run this program. I'm going to enter the length, the breadth, and here we have the area and the perimeter. This brings us to the end of this podcast. For more information, kindly visit our website on www.matthewschwierap.com.